So here I list down the content which we will cover in this demo class. So first I will start with the introduction, and within the introduction, first I will introduce myself, the instructor of this course. Then I will give you an overview of R in R Studio because this course is on data analysis in R. So I will give you an overview why R data analysis in R Studio is important. And then we will briefly cover the training content, the course content of this course, and then at the end, I will give you 15 to 20 minutes for any question. So let's start with the first agenda point, which is the instructor introduction. So I'm Dr. Fazal Wahab. I'm associate professor in Park Austria Fachhochschule. At the same time, I'm also working in German Primate Center, Germany. So currently I am in Germany, but during the semester I am working Park Austria Fachhochschule, and I have like more than 20-year research experience. This slide show my research career. So I started my research career in Quaid-e-Azam University during my PhD. In between, I also went and did some research work in Howard University, United States. And then after PhD, I joined Khyber Medical University in Peshawar as assistant professor. And then in 2012, I went to Brazil to join University of Sao Paulo as a postdoctoral fellow. Then in 2014, I moved to Germany, and almost for the 6 year I was in Germany. Here I work in the University of Göttingen. And then in between like 2018 to 19, I was also in China in University of Science and Technology of China. And since 2020, I'm working in Park Austria, Fachhochschule. In between, I'm frequently going to Austria, Germany for a different research-related project. So during the last 20 years, I work on various projects related to biology or biological sciences and health sciences. And in those projects, I use various data analysis tools, including the tool which we will cover in this course, that is R programming or R Studio, or how we can use R Studio for data analysis or data visualization. And this is the summary of various group in which I have worked on this project. So the question arises that why R? Why not any other tool? Like there are many paid or free tool which are used in data analysis, but uh, in this course we will cover the R, and I also offer a course on the use of Python for data analysis, but this specific demo class is for the data analysis in R, so I will cover those. So why R programming is important for biological data or any data? Like R programming is just like any other programming language, like Python, other programming language. It is one of the programming language. It is used for various purposes, including the one of the most important purpose of this programming is data analysis, especially statistical data analysis. And we know that data is created in all field in all kind of research, whether it's economics, whether it is business, whether it is biology, whether it's chemistry or any other field. So data is produced by observation, and then we can use various tools to analyze that and to visualize that. And those tools include R programming. Why it is important? So if you just look at internet, various research or various academic position or various industrial position, especially those position which involve data analysis. And we know that research is based on data acquisition, where we get data and then we analyze that data and then we visualize. So research is based on data acquisition, and then data analysis and that data visualization. So we do that for our thesis, dissertation, for our publication. And without data analysis or data visualization, research is of no use or of no purpose. So therefore, if we look at any research position, especially advanced countries, so I just before this demo class, so I take a look on internet for some position which involve data analysis. So in almost all those position, R, Python, or statistical modeling skill were required. Like one of this is a postdoctoral position in this, R, Python was mentioned. Is in the same way, there is a PhD position in this also. Python, R is mentioned, and another position that in that also the R or Python skill was mentioned. Similarly, I also take a look over some industrial position, and there also R or Python is required, or one of the mandatory requirement was this. So this show that R or Python, they are one of the fundamental data analysis tool. And if we want to improve our chances of scholarship in a good lab or in a good university, or if we want a position in advanced country, so we should learn these, we should develop skill in these, in both R and Python. And we can do this in various way. There are free courses on YouTube, Coursera, and other platform. And other way is to attend live session. So the difference between the YouTube video, Coursera courses, and the live session is that whenever we are attending a course on YouTube, so usually the instructor or the YouTube channel which we are following for data analysis. So they use their own data set, and usually they're not shared with the participant or the viewer who are watching their video. Uh, and if you face any problem, so there is no way to solve that, or the speaker or the instructor will take time. If you even you email them or even you comment, so it will take time, and it will not possible for viewer to solve his problem immediately. So to improve his learning chances. In contrast, in live session, so I will share the data file which I will use in teaching or instructing with all participant, and the instructor and participant will use the same data. And if there is any problem, so the instructor or I will help to solve that, and then we will proceed onward. So therefore, the live session is different than watching something on the YouTube or other platform. And this then improve the chances of learning.